Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Nature, the place where we use the power of nature to heal, energize, and thrive. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and let's dive right in. Anxiety is often treated with synthetic pills, but the truth is, your body already has the tools it needs. Nature has always had the answers. We've just forgotten to look. 5 secret herbs that kill anxiety. Why no one talks about them. Are you tired of feeling anxious, stressed, or constantly on edge, and nothing seems to work? What if I told you there are 5 ancient herbs that can calm your nervous system within minutes, and no one's talking about them? In today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful herbs that fight anxiety naturally, safely, and fast. Stick around, because herb number 4 might be exactly what your body's been craving. Let's start with a true game changer in the world of natural medicine. Ashwagandha. Also known as Withania somnifera, this powerful adaptogenic herb has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic healing practices for over 3,000 years. Traditionally referred to as Indian ginseng, ashwagandha is renowned for its ability to help the body adapt to stress and restore balance, both physically and mentally. At the heart of its magic lies its unique ability to regulate cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels are often linked to anxiety, fatigue, poor sleep, and even weight gain. Clinical studies have demonstrated that ashwagandha can reduce cortisol levels significantly, leading to a drop in stress and anxiety symptoms by as much as 44% over just a few weeks. This makes it one of the most effective natural remedies for promoting calm and emotional resilience. Unlike many pharmaceutical options, ashwagandha doesn't come with a long list of side effects. It works gently with your body, helping to bring your nervous system back into balance. Many users report feeling more grounded, sleeping better, and even noticing improved energy and mental clarity after consistent use. Ashwagandha is incredibly versatile in how it can be taken. It's available in capsules, powders, tinctures, and teas. For a soothing ritual, you can brew it into a warm tea, often blended with cinnamon, cardamom, or honey for added flavor and benefits. Others prefer the convenience of daily capsules or mixing the powder into smoothies or warm milk at night. Whether you're battling daily stress, burnout, or just looking for a natural way to support your well-being, ashwagandha is a gentle yet powerful ally. It's nature's answer to modern stress, simple, ancient, and proven. Herb number 2 is lemon balm, and trust me, it's so much more than a pleasant flavor in your garden tea. Known botanically as Melissa officinalis, lemon balm is a gentle, citrus-scented herb that has been used for centuries to soothe the mind and body. While it may seem mild at first glance, its effects are impressively powerful when it comes to calming the nervous system. Lemon balm works by interacting directly with GABA receptors in your brain, the same pathways targeted by many anti-anxiety medications. GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, is a neurotransmitter that helps reduce brain activity, promoting feelings of relaxation and peace. By naturally boosting GABA activity, lemon balm helps quiet racing thoughts, ease nervous tension, and support restful sleep, all without the drowsy or foggy side effects often associated with synthetic options. What makes lemon balm especially appealing is how fast-acting it can be. Many people notice a calming effect within just 30 minutes of drinking a strong lemon balm tea or taking a tincture. And when combined with a peaceful evening routine, dimmed lights, soft music, and a warm mug of herbal tea, the results can feel like instant calm. Whether you're struggling with occasional stress, anxious thoughts, or trouble winding down at night, lemon balm offers a safe, natural alternative. It's gentle enough for daily use, yet powerful enough to make a noticeable difference. Add it to your wellness toolkit and let nature help you find your balance. Now here's one most people completely overlook: passion flower. Don't let its delicate, exotic appearance fool you. This climbing vine, Passiflora incarnata, is a powerhouse when it comes to calming the mind and body. Native American tribes traditionally used it to soothe restlessness, anxiety, and irritability, and today modern herbalists still swear by its gentle but effective action. The real twist? Recent scientific research is backing up what ancient cultures already knew. Studies have shown that passion flower can be just as effective as low-dose anti-anxiety medications like oxazepam, but with a major advantage: no risk of addiction or dependency. It works by increasing levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain, a neurotransmitter that slows down brain activity and promotes a sense of calm and focus. Passion flower is especially helpful for those who experience racing thoughts at night, emotional overwhelm, or difficulty staying asleep. It doesn't knock you out like strong sleep aids. Instead, it gently eases you into a calmer state so your body can do the rest. You can take passion flower in several forms: as a tincture, a few drops in water, capsules, or as a soothing herbal tea, often blended with chamomile or lemon balm for extra calming effects. However, like most herbal remedies, consistency is key. For best results, use it daily and give it at least a week or two to truly work its magic. This often overlooked vine might just be the missing piece in your natural anxiety toolkit. Now, this is the one you really need to know about. Holy basil, also called tulsi, might just be the most underrated herb on the planet. In India, it's been used for over 3,000 years, not just for the body, but for the mind and spirit. They call it the elixir of life, and once you try it, you'll understand why. Unlike other herbs that simply calm you down, holy basil does more. It helps you think clearer, focus better, and stay grounded when everything around you feels chaotic. It's what herbalists call an adaptogen. It helps your body adapt to stress, stabilizes your mood, and brings your system back into balance. And here's the best part: it doesn't sedate you. It keeps your mind calm but alert, perfect for busy days, anxious minds, or when you just need to reset without crashing. So why isn't everyone using this? Simple. You can't patent a plant. Big pharma can't make billions from something you can grow in a pot on your windowsill. But that means you still can. Tulsi is easy to take, as a tea, tincture, or capsule. Start your morning with a warm cup of holy basil tea or wind down at night with it. It's a simple ritual that delivers real peace. Holy basil isn't just an herb, it's a lifestyle. And in today's overstimulated world, that kind of natural clarity, it's priceless. And finally, blue vervain. A truly forgotten treasure in the world of herbal medicine. Once held sacred by the Druids and used in ancient European rituals, blue vervain, Verbena hastata, was believed to hold mystical powers, especially when it came to calming the heart and mind. But this isn't just folklore. Today, herbalists recognize blue vervain as a powerful nervine, a plant that soothes the nervous system, particularly effective for those who carry their stress physically. If you often feel anxiety in your neck, shoulders, jaw, or even experience that familiar tightness in the chest, blue vervain could be exactly what your body is asking for. It's especially helpful for people who describe themselves as high-strung, perfectionists, or overthinkers. When your mind won't slow down and your body starts holding on to that tension, this herb steps in like a deep breath you didn't know you needed. It gently relaxes muscular tightness while calming emotional agitation, making it an excellent support for both the body and the spirit. You can take blue vervain as a tincture, a capsule, or as a strong infusion, a potent tea. Because it has a slightly bitter taste, it's often blended with other herbs like lemon balm or mint for a more pleasant flavor. So there you have it. 5 secret herbs that can naturally kill anxiety fast. No pills, no side effects. Just pure, plant-powered peace. Now I want to hear from you. Which herb are you most curious to try? Drop it in the comments below. I read everyone. And hey, if this video helped you even a little, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who's been feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or just needs a natural reset. Want more powerful herbs, easy recipes, and daily rituals that actually work? Then hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a moment of calm.